Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you some tips for improving our communication skill. What? Before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. And without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that, first of all, I would like to tell you, I am making the video in front of you. Why are making the video in front of you? Actually, I am making the video in front of you because I want to be fluent in English. I want to be perfect in English. So that's why I am making the video. Actually, according to me, this way is very important for me, so that's why I am making the video. Actually, I don't have any environment and any person. Leave it. Actually, I got tired telling to you. Actually, I don't have any environment. This is a excuse because I want to be perfect, so that's why I am making the video in front of you. Okay, actually, this way is very good for me. Okay, actually, when we try to speak English in front of you, so that's how my confidence, my flow will be increased. So that's why. Okay, so I think this is thing for me, so please leave it. Okay, and come to point. Actually, today in my video I am going to share with you, all the people have a problem. Should we learn the grammar portion or not? All the learner are facing this problem. Okay, actually, if you want to be perfect in English, if you want to be fluent in English, so leave it. Okay, leave it. Grammar portion is not important. Okay, only try to speak English. Okay, grammar portion is not important. Grammar portion, I think, is important for little bit. When you try to speak English, at that times, some part of grammar is important, like tense and passive. Okay, instead of grammar, you can learn English, you can speak English. Okay, I think according to me, when I started speaking English, so that times I focused on grammar. Okay, but I couldn't speak English well. But I was not able to speak English well, because that times I didn't watch any English video. But this times, I don't focus on grammar, and only focus on listening power and speaking. That's it. Okay, because this way is very important. I have a example. Okay, this example is very important. As a child, okay, child doesn't know any vocabulary, any grammar, but a part of this a part of this, they try to speak English, speak native language. Okay, because children observes every person around child native language. Okay, a child, look carefully. Okay, watch carefully, and then he try to speak. I think this way is very good improving English. I think we should learn from child. Okay, I think this way is very important. And grammar portion is not important. I think grammar portion is important when you try to give the exam. So that time grammar portion is very important. But what uh, if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, so that time grammar portion is not important. So that time avoid the grammar. Okay, only try to speak English. Okay, speak as much as more. So definitely you will be perfect in English. So because I have experience, so that's why I am telling to you. Actually, I learned lot grammar, but I couldn't speak English well, because that time I didn't watch any English video. But that time I couldn't English well, but I wanted to be perfect in English. But but since then, I I have been watching the English video. From then I am getting the improved. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you, please don't focus any grammar. And when if you try to learn grammar, when you try to speak English in front of other people, so that time you get confused. I am damn sure. Okay, definitely you get confused. Okay, please, because when you try to speak, so that time first of all, you you will translate. Okay, you will translate, and then you will speak. So automatically your mind get confused. Okay, so please don't focus on grammar, only speaking English. Okay, okay, actually grammar portion is not important. While listening, while observing, you can learn English. Okay, when you try to speak English more, definitely your grammar, your vocabulary will be increased. Okay, so please don't focus on grammar. I think this is a boring. Okay, this is a boring portion as a grammar. Actually, if you learn your grammar portions, I am damn sure you will not learn English. You will not able to speak English well. Okay, so please don't care about any grammar. I think don't even don't care any mistake. Okay, so that's why so only then you want to we learn grammar, because you are afraid of making the mistake. Because I am making the mistake because I am not good at grammar. Because we should grammar portions. So after that, I will not make the mistake. Okay, mistake is not big deal. Okay, mistake is common thing. Even native speaker make the mistake. Why are you getting the afraid of making mistake? Okay, I think this is a common thing. Okay, even I I make the mistake on Hindi, because Hindi is our native language. Even I am make I make the mistake. I am not good at Hindi properly. I make, definitely all the people make the mistake. Because I think okay, leave it. Okay, actually, I don't have any environment. I am not English medium. Okay, I am Hindi medium. Okay, even even which have English medium, they people don't know very well English. Because already they have very well environment, very well they have very well environment people as a teacher. So after that, even then, they don't speak English well. Why? Because they don't have any any practice. So that's why they don't speak English well. Okay, so please do the practice. Practice is very important. Okay, without practice we can't speak English. And don't think about any mistake is a common thing. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you, because I am making the in front of you, I am making the video in front of you. I am making the mistake. I know very well. I'm not caring about any mistake, irrespective of mistake. I am speaking English in front of you. Okay, so please don't care about any mistake, only try to speak English and don't care about any grammar portion. Don't focus on grammar portion, only try to speak English if you want to be perfect in English. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Once again I am saying that. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.